10 years ago, I was placed in a prison for 5 years. Now, I'm conditional released. I will never forget the life when I was in prison. That was the darkest years in my life. I suffered from the discrimination and bribery. Why is the world so unfair? Now, I'm a doctor, but I want to be a doctor in a different way, a way I like, and a way that I want it to be.
Honey, do you know where my jacket is? Honey, are you downstairs? Can you hear me? Honey? Honey?
Detective Anderson.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Jackson. I am very serious about my husband's death. Please find the murderer soon.
Yes, Mrs. Jackson. Let's go inside to the crime scene, shall we? Mrs. Jackson, when did you find out that your husband was dead?
Around 11:30 last night.
Have you noticed any abnormal behaviors of your husband before his death, or did he meet somebody yesterday?
He met a postman and received a package.
May I see the package, please?
Sure.
Do you have the video recording?
Yep.
Is it possible to see the video recording?
Yes, follow me.
Have you reached a verdict?
No, we have not.
What would you say?
I, the jury foreperson, found the defendant not guilty of the charge of the indictable defense under the English common law.
Since the jury result is unanimous, the case is suspended and the court is adjourned.
Hi, Mrs. Jackson. I come to pick up the medicines that Mr. Jackson had been using throughout the month.
Yeah, sure. This is the new medicine from Dr. Chopin.
You said this is the medicines from Dr. Chopin's, and Dr. Chopin's is the new doctor, is that right?
Yes.
Who is the old doctor then?
The old doctor went on a vacation a month ago.
Do you know Dr. Chopin's office?
Yes, the address is on the medicine.
This is Detective Anderson. I'm here to investigate the case of Mr. Johnson. Can I see the medical prescriptions that Dr. Chopin had for Mr. Johnson throughout the month?
Sure, just 1 minute. Here.
These are important evidence for the case. If you don't mind, I would like to present these on court.
I consent.
The Supreme Court of Canada wants you to be the witness to this criminal charge. Please appear in court at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Today is the year of 2015. October 1st, the trial should begin now. Dr. Chopin, your crime is categorized as an indictable offense. You may seek for official principal actor to defend yourself, or you may defend for yourself.
Your Honor, I appoint Miss Abilu as my principal actor.
Dr. Chopin, you are accused of following criminal offenses. According to the Canadian Criminal Code number 231, culpable homicide is a murder where the person who causes the death of a human being means to cause his death or means to cause his bodily harm that he knows is likely to cause his death, and is reckless whether death ensues or not. Do you plead guilty to these criminal offenses?
No, I do not plead guilty to the criminal offenses.
Both sides may present your cases, starting with prosecution.
According to the examiner, Mr. Jackson died at night of September 25th, 2015 at 10 p.m. The body had no injuries or wounds. The victim was found poisoned by the heart disease medicine that was continuously used throughout the month. The examiner also has proven that the medicine is overdose for a heart disease patient. It will gradually lead to a heart disease patient dying. Your Honor, may I present you the medicine?
Yes, you may present the medicine.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call to the stand pharmacist Dr. Johnson. Dr. Johnson, what is your occupation?
I'm the pharmacist at Dr. Chopin's office. I have been working there for 2 years.
Dr. Johnson, what do you know about Dr. Chopin's patient, Mr. Jackson?
He is Dr. Chopin's new patient this month. He is a patient with high pressure and heart disease.
you recognize the signature of Dr. Chopin? If so, is it Dr. Chopin's signature?
Yes, it is Dr. Chopin's signature.
Can you remember that these medical prescriptions for patient Mr. Jackson are from Dr. Chopin?
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
Your Honor, may I present the medical prescription to you?
Yes, you may present the sample.
Your Honor, I have no further questions.
Defense, you may start to defend your cases.
I deny all the statements made by the prosecution. Change of doctor does not mean Dr. Chopin is a murderer. Also, the video recording shows that the postman is more likely associated with the death of Mr. Jackson. The time when the postman met Mr. Jackson was on September 25, 2015 at 9 p.m. The time of death of Mr. Jackson was confirmed at 10 p.m. on the same day.
Objection. The video recording does not clearly show what had happened inside the house between the postman and Mr. Jackson.
Have you reached a verdict?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
In the case of Mr. Johnson's murder, he is guilty for his first-degree murder. He will be put in prison for 5 years.